Welcome back to this video. If you use Glowline, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to borrow credit for others on Glowline. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your guide path and click on here to open up my dialer. Next thing you need to do is to dial *303# then hit on send. There's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here and type for borrow credit for others. Click on send. Then it's going to take you right here. Then it's going to take you right here. You are eligible for this amount. So what you need to do is to enter the amount right here and hit on reply. But in some cases, if the amount of credit you want to borrow for others is not up to this, what you need to do is to click on here and type in 99, then hit on send. That will take you to another page just like so. Then here, what you need to do is to simply enter the amount you want to borrow, you want to fund the others account. Let's say, for instance, from these options right here, I want to borrow someone with 400 naira. What you need to do is to click on here and type in the number, which is in number 5, hit on send, and then here you'll be asked to enter the phone number of the recipient. Make sure you click on here and type in the correct phone number of the recipient of that credit card, and once you enter it, hit on send. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to borrow credit for others on Glowline. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Glowline, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.